Okay, first of all, good morning to all of you. Let us start by the grace of great, mighty and great God. Let us start today's session. Our today's topic is VI characteristics of a PN junction diode. VI characteristics of a PN junction diode. Yesterday we have done the practical based upon the PN junction, and we have basically discussed the VI characteristics of PN junction diode in a physics practical lab. Okay. So anyhow, this is the VI characteristics. I mean to say how this is V is proportional to I. V is proportional to I. So this is basically V versus I. This is basically V versus I. See, this is for the forward bias. For the forward bias. And this is for the reverse bias. This is for the. अच्छा मेरे ये बताइए, when we apply the forward bias to the PN junction diode, what will happen? तो क्या होगा? क्या होता है? What will happen? Depletion layer will become thin, and तो क्या होगा? There is a movement of the majority charge carrier across the junction. Due to that, current will increases. The forward current will increases. And what will happen if you apply a reverse bias to the PN junction diode? The width of the depletion layer will increase, and as a result क्या होगा? Structure होगी थोड़ी सी distraction होगी, तो क्या होगा? The width of the depletion layer will increase, and as a result, the majority charge carriers will not supposed to flow in the current, and there is only a small amount of current in the circuit that is just due to the minority charge carrier, and that current is also called a leakage current. It's called a leakage current. And doubt about this. जब forward bias देते हैं तो potential barrier कम होता है कि ज़्यादा हो जाता है? कम हो जाता है. Width कम होगी मतलब potential barrier कम. जब reverse bias देते हैं तो डिप्लीशन लेयर चौड़ी हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से पोटेंशियल बैरियर बड़ा हो जाता है. आई मीन टू से जो द हाइट ऑफ द वॉल गेट इंक्रीज, और किसी भी पर्सन के लिए लंबी दीवार को फांदना क्या है? थोड़ा मुश्किल काम है, और छोटी दीवार को फांदना क्या है? बहुत ही आसान काम है. सो दिस इज द पहले था कि PN junction diode बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है. दिस इज नॉट अबाउट दैट. इट इज वेरी सिंपल स्टोरी. ठीक है, बहुत ही एक आसान काम है PN junction diode को समझना. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? समझ आया कि नहीं आया? It's very easy. So see, this is the VF means forward bias voltage, IF means forward current. This is in the milliampere. This is the milliampere, and see initially the current is not there. The current is not up to the mark. But at this voltage, this is called cut-in voltage. This is called a knee voltage. At knee voltage, what will happen? Let us say its value is V0. When we apply a voltage greater than knee voltage, what will happen? क्या होगा? The depletion layer will vanish. And as a result, a large amount of charge carriers will flow across the junction, and a large amount of the current will be seen in the circuit. देखो दोस्तों, करंट तो तभी चलेगा जब इलेक्ट्रॉन चलेगा, जब चार्ज कैरियर्स चलेगा. इंटरनेशनल ऑडियंस, आर यू गेटिंग दिस? Benedict, the current will appear only in the circuit when there will be a movement of the charge carriers. And what are the charge carriers? Electrons and holes. Okay, and the direction of electric current is just opposite to the direction of the flow of the electrons. Okay, so when the voltage is greater than the voltage, a large amount of current is seen in the circuit. So that is why this is the large amount of current. This is the large amount of current. So this voltage we can say V0. This is the knee voltage. And when we apply reverse bias, this is called a VR, reverse bias voltage. This is the IR, reverse current in the microampere. Microampere is a small current. As compared compared to a milliampere, that is 10 raised to power minus 6 ampere is less than the 10 raised to power minus 3. मिली का मतलब क्या होता है? M stands for milli. Milli means 10 raised to power minus 3. Micro means 10 raised to power minus 6. Okay. Nano means 10 raised to power minus 9. Pico means 10 raised to power minus 12. Fermi means 10 raised to power minus 15, 15, minus 1, 5. 10 raised to power minus 10 raised to power minus 15. Stop. 10 raised to power minus 15. Okay, 10 raised to power Fermi means 10 raised to power minus 15. So you have to know about the scale. You have to know about the scale. So see, when you apply a reverse bias voltage, this is a small amount of current. This is a small amount of current. So actually, what happens in the forward bias? At the D voltage, a depletion layer will vanish. Depletion layer will vanish. Vanish का मतलब क्या होता है? खत्म हो जाता है. Zero. क्या हो जाता है? Zero. When we apply reverse bias, जब हम reverse bias apply करते हैं, तो देखिए करंट कम है. करंट क्या है? कम. At this voltage, what will happen? क्या होगा? Electric field will get so strong that covalent bonds will break, and a large amount of charge carriers will be produced, and that charge carriers will account for a large amount of current in the circuit, and this voltage is called a breakdown voltage. This is called a breakdown voltage. So what is the breakdown voltage? 2 marks question. Breakdown voltage क्या है? Breakdown voltage is a voltage at which the junction get break. Junction get पुल है टूट गया. पुल है टूट गया तो बाड़ा. ठीक है. This is also called a avalanche. This is also called a avalanche. What's the dictionary meaning of avalanche? Avalanche का मतलब होता है तूफान, बाढ़. Avalanche means multiplication. Avalanche means multiplication. Or in the simple language, we can say avalanche means baढ़, flood. So there is a flood of electrons. There is a flood of electron at this voltage, which is called a breakdown voltage. This is called a breakdown voltage. So please write what is breakdown voltage. It's a voltage at which junction get break, D voltage or cut-in voltage. Okay, at which the junction get break. Okay, now see, now please tell me, PN junction is a linear device or a non-linear device? Non-linear. It's a non-linear. Why it is called a non-linear? Because the graph is not a straight line. The graph is not a straight line. The graph is not a linear straight line. So it's a curve. Okay. So it's a non-linear device. Okay. Second point. PN junction act as a closed switch. So question will come, why PN junction? How PN junction act as a closed switch? PN junction act as a closed switch. PN junction acts as a closed switch. Now the question will come, why or how PN junction acts as a closed switch? तो आंसर लिखिए इसका. क्यों बोलते हैं क्लोज स्विच? क्योंकि देखिए ये सिर्फ फॉरवर्ड बायस में काम करता है, रिवर्स बायस में काम नहीं करता. तो ये कैसे काम कर रहा है? इट इज जस्ट एक्टिंग लाइक अ स्विच, ऑफ ऑन. ठीक है. तो प्लीज राइट द PN junction acts as a closed switch in forward bias condition. The PN junction acts as a closed switch in forward bias condition, allowing large amount of current flow through it and act as a open switch and act as a open switch. इसमें open हो गया and act as a open switch. Act as a open switch in reverse bias condition. In reverse bias condition, causing an insignificant insignificant current flowing through it. Insignificant का मतलब क्या होता है? बहुत कम मात्रा, बहुत छोटी सी मात्रा, तुच्छ. Insignificant low current flowing through it. This unidirectional conduction, रेड पेन से लिखिए, this unidirectional conduction is called reactifying action. This unifying conduction is called reactifying conduction or action. Reactifying conduction. Okay, तो एक ही डायरेक्शन में कंडक्ट कर रहा है ना, only in a forward bias, only in a, so that is why we use in the rectifiers. That is क्या हुआ? Form, हाँ जी. This causes unidirectional conduction is called rectifying action. हाँ जी, देखिए कंपाइल कर रहा हूँ. देखिए फॉरवर्ड बायस में ये कैसे काम कर रहा है, क्लोज स्विच की तरह, और रिवर्स बायस में कैसे कर रहा है, जस्ट लाइक अ ओपन सर्किट, तो व्हाट डज दिस मींस? इट ओनली कंडक्ट इन अ यूनिडायरेक्शन, इट ओनली कंडक्ट इन अ वन डायरेक्शन, तो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड अ रिएक्टिफाइंग कंडक्शन. रिएक्टिफाइंग का मतलब, दैट इज व्हाई वी यूज the P junction as a rectifier which converts AC into DC, especially in half wave or full wave rectifier. In half wave rectifier it converts only a one half of the cycle, the rest will not. Okay, I think we have discussed the last lecture also. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so this is the, now what is breakdown voltage? This is the voltage at which junction get break and a large amount of the current will appear in the circuit. Okay, now we'll discuss the diode equation. We'll discuss the diode equation. I is equal to I naught e raised to power EV upon KT minus 1. This is called the diode equation. This is called the diode equation. This is called the diode equation. This is called a diode equation or rectifier equation. Rectifier equation. This is called diode equation, rectifier equation. Okay, where I naught is called reverse saturation current. I naught is called reverse saturation current. V is the voltage, K is called a Boltzmann constant, and D is called a temperature. D is called a temperature. Okay, so this is the called a diode equation. Okay. And V is equal to Vf. V is equal to Vf for forward bias, and V is equal to minus of Vr for reverse bias. For reverse bias, V is equal to Vf for forward bias and V is equal to minus Vr for reverse bias. So sometimes a vehicle can be asked on the diode equation. Okay, समझ आ रही है हिंदी वालों को सबको? बहुत ही सिंपल है. ओके, इस वोल्टेज को एवलांच भी बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? एवलांच. क्या बोलते हैं? एवलांच ब्रेकडाउन. दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ एवलांच ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज, और दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ एवलांच ब्रेकडाउन. ओके, so basically there are two kind of breakdown. One is called avalanche, another is called a zener. Now we will basically try to understand, so what is the basic difference between a avalanche breakdown and a zener breakdown. So give a heading, avalanche breakdown. avalanche breakdown. Avalanche breakdown. Avalanche breakdown वो होती है जिसपे हम डोपिंग को क्या करते हैं, कम। समझ आएगी नहीं? डोपिंग क्या होती है, पहले लिखिए। avalanche breakdown in lightly doped junctions, in lightly doped junctions, lightly doped junctions, इसमें डोपिंग क्या होती है, कम। डोपिंग क्या होती है, कम। lightly doped junctions on large reverse voltage, on large reverse voltage across the junction, on large reverse voltage across the junction, avalanche breakdown occurs. Avalanche breakdown occurs. Number 2, when large reverse bias is applied, when large reverse bias is applied to a diode, when large reverse bias is applied to a diode, comma, electric field in the depletion region will be high. The electric field in the depletion region will be high. The electric field in the depletion region will be high. Due to that, the covalent bonds, a large amount of covalent bonds will be broken. Due to that, a large number of covalent bonds will be broken, and a flood of carriers, carriers का मतलब electrons and holes. Carrier means electron and hole. You can write in a bracket. Flood of carrier is produced in a very short time, and causes large reverse current. This is called avalanche breakdown. This is called a avalanche. क्या? And causes large amount of saturation current. Okay. So this is called a avalanche breakdown. So actually होता क्या है कि what happens in avalanche breakdown? See, अगर जंक्शन कम डोप्ड होगा, अगर जंक्शन में डोपिंग कम होगी, अगर जंक्शन में डोपिंग कम होगी तो हमें बाहर से ज़्यादा वोल्टेज देनी पड़ेगी ताकि avalanche breakdown हो। अगर डोपिंग ज़्यादा होगी फिर हमें क्या करना, और डोपिंग ज़्यादा होगी तो हमें वोल्टेज कम देनी पड़ेगी ताकि वो जंक्शन ब्रेकडाउन हो। ठीक है, जिसमें डोपिंग ज़्यादा होती है, जिसमें डोपिंग कम होती है और हमें वोल्टेज को हाई वोल्टेज, we will apply a high voltage for avalanche breakdown to occur. इस तरह के जंक्शंस को बोलते हैं, इस तरह के केसेस को बोलते हैं avalanche breakdown. दूसरा होता है Zener breakdown. Zener का मतलब क्या है? Zener breakdown में क्या होगा, डोपिंग क्या होगी? हैवी। डोपिंग क्या होगी? हैवी। एंड ए वोल्टेज क्या होगी? कम। तो हमें बाहर से कम वोल्टेज लगाने पे वो जंक्शन क्या हो जाएगा? ब्रेक। तो देखिए व्हाट इज जीनर वोल्टेज और जीनर ब्रेकडाउन। व्हाट इज जीनर ब्रेकडाउन? जीनर ब्रेकडाउन mechanism occurs. Zener breakdown mechanism occur in thin, abrupt and heavily docked p-n junction. In thin, abrupt and heavily docked p-n junctions. And heavily docked p-n junctions. Thin, abrupt and heavily docked p-n junction, and it requires low reverse voltage, for its operations. यहाँ पे कितनी वोल्टेज चाहिए? हाई वोल्टेज। ओके, जंक्शन को हाई वोल्टेज चाहिए, ठीक है। यहाँ पे है लो वोल्टेज, ठीक है। यहाँ पे करेंगे लो रिवर्स वोल्टेज। तो यहाँ पे क्या है? हाई रिवर्स वोल्टेज। यहाँ पे क्या है? हाई रिवर्स वोल्टेज। See where the doping is very small, where the doping is very light. In the lightly doped p-n junction, only in a lightly doped p-n junction, high reverse voltage is required for the breakdown to occur. And for heavily doped p-n junction, a low reverse voltage is required for this zener breakdown to occur. तो कई बार क्वेश्चन आता है, डिफरेंस आता है, what is the basic difference between a avalanche breakdown and zener breakdown? So what's the basic difference? In avalanche breakdown, lightly doped junction p-n junction is required and high reverse voltage is required. And in zener breakdown, thin, abrupt and heavily doped p-n junction is there, and a low reverse voltage is required to break the junction. तो इसका क्या है? इसका ज्यादा वोल्टेज पे काम होगा, इसका कम वोल्टेज पे हमारा जंक्शन ब्रेक हो जाएगा। तो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस, ठीक है। क्योंकि जब जो हम पढ़ते हैं जीनर आप पढ़ते हैं ना अपना जीनर डायोड में क्या है? वो हेवली डॉक्ड होता है। वो क्या होता है? हेवली डॉक्ड पीएन, ठीक है। So this is all about the p-n junction, and what are the applications of this p-n junction? I think we have discussed. This is used in the rectifiers. In half wave rectifier or in a full wave rectifiers. Okay. So this is one of the important applications. Now we will discuss the zener diode. What is the symbol of zener diode? This is the symbol of the zener diode. और p-n junction का कैसे होता है? The symbol of the p-n junction diode. तो ये क्या बन रही है? Z बन रही है। क्या बन रही है? Z. So this is a symbol of the zener diode. And this side anode is there, this side cathode is there. Anode, cathode. Okay. So please write. इसका कैसे होगा? ठीक है. This is the VI characteristics of a characteristics of a genome. Okay. Please write. Xenodiode is a specially designed. Xenodiode is a specially designed semiconductor. Xenodiode is a specially designed semiconductor to be operated in breakdown region. To be operated in breakdown region of the reverse bias, under reverse bias. Please write the right one, under reverse bias. Under reverse bias. Under reverse bias. Number 2, xenodiodes are always operated in the reverse bias condition. हमेशा का मतलब क्या होता है? 100%. Always means 100%. Always means 100%. Xenodiodes are always operated in a reverse bias, or always operated in the reverse bias condition. Number 3, xenodiode acts very much similar. Xenodiodes acts very much similar to a ordinary diode, under forward bias condition. To a ordinary diode. This is called a ordinary diode. It is very much similar to the ordinary diode under forward bias condition. तो देखिए forward bias का इसका ग्राफ ऐसे ही है, जिसका जैसे VI characteristic का था for ordinary diode, for PN junction diode. ठीक है. However का मतलब क्या होता है? But the xenodiode is generally not used in forward bias condition. But the xenodiode is generally not used in the forward bias condition. Joseph, are you getting this? However, the xenodiode is generally not used in the forward bias condition. Next point, the reverse bias characteristics of a xenodiode. The reverse bias characteristics, ये वाला reverse bias characteristics, see ये वाला, this is called a reverse bias characteristics. Reverse bias characteristics of a xenodiode is very much different from that of ordinary diode. Forward मिलता है, reverse नहीं मिलता. It's very much different from that of ordinary diode. Next point, as the reverse voltage is increased, देखिए, this is called a reverse voltage. This is called a reverse. I understand VR and IR. Reverse current. As the reverse voltage VR is increased, get increased, the reverse current remains constant. Reverse current, देखो current constant है, current नहीं बढ़ रहा. The reverse current remains constant as the reverse voltage VR get increased, the reverse current remains constant till a certain value is reached. As the reverse voltage get increased, क्या लिखा था मैंने? The reverse current will not remains constant till a certain value is reached. Next point, use the red pen. At that certain value, the the reverse current increases abruptly at that certain value, comma reverse current, देखो इस वोल्टेज पे reverse current abrupt increases abruptly at that certain value, comma the reverse current increases abruptly. Next point, use our pen. The voltage at which sudden increase, the voltage at which sudden increase in the current, the voltage at which sudden increase in the reverse current occurs is called Zener breakdown voltage, VZ. Zener breakdown voltage, the voltage at which, ये वाली voltage, the voltage at which sudden increase in current, in reverse current occurs, the voltage at which sudden increase in reverse current occurs, comma is called Zener breakdown voltage or breakdown voltage, which is called a VZ, which is called a VZ. ओके, तो ये बता दो बेटा, देखिए पहले वोल्टेज को बढ़ा रहे हैं तो करंट नहीं बढ़ रहा। अच्छा, इसका करंट किसमें आएगा? माइक्रो में। क्या आएगा? माइक्रो। और ये Z किसमें काम करता है? रिवर्स इसमें काम करता है। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल। ओके, सी जब हम बढ़ाते जाते हैं एट अ सर्टेन वैल्यू, VZ वैल्यू पे क्या होता है? ये लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ करंट विल बी सेव, बहुत ज्यादा करंट सर्किट में आ जाता है। ये क्यों होता है? क्यों? क्योंकि इस वोल्टेज पे क्या होता है? एट VZ वोल्टेज, व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस VZ इज कॉल्ड द Zener breakdown voltage or breakdown voltage. What happens at this voltage? क्या होगा इस वोल्टेज पे? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल बी क्वाइट हाई, बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगा। और क्या होगा? इसकी वजह से कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स गेट ब्रेक, एंड देयर इज अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ द चार्ज carries across the junction, and due to that diffusion, a large amount of the current, a large amount of the reverse current appears in the circuit, and this happens only at the Zener breakdown voltage, which is called VZ. So question आता है 2 मार्क्स में, what is the Zener breakdown voltage? What is the Zener breakdown voltage? और देखिए इसमें डोपिंग कम होती है ज़्यादा होती है? ज़्यादा। क्या होती है? तभी तो कम वोल्टेज पे आ गया। डोपिंग ज़्यादा होगी तो कम वोल्टेज पे जंक्शन ब्रेक होगा, अगर डोपिंग कम होगी तो ज़्यादा वोल्टेज अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी ताकि जंक्शन हमारा ब्रेक हो। फॉर इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, फॉर lightly doped junctions we have to apply a large reverse voltage to break the junction, but in case of Zener diode the doping is very high, and it operates in the reverse bias. For highly doped junctions only a small amount of reverse voltage VZ is applied across the junction so that the junction get break at a smaller value of the reverse voltage VR, and a large amount of the current will be appear in the circuit, and this IR reverse current will be appear in the microampere. It will appear in the microampere range. So this is a very small amount of current. This is very small amount of current. Micro means small. So I think this is all about the Zener diode. Okay. So note लीजिए, अगर हम इसको ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज से ऊपर में ऑपरेट करते हैं तो Zener डायोड क्या हो जाता है? परमानेंटली डैमेज। समझ आई कि नहीं आई? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल से दैट कि मैं आपको कहूँगा कि मान लीजिए अगर आप किसी की क्षमता है कि वो 3 रोटी की है खाने की, 3 रोटी खाने पे वो क्या जाता है? उसकी मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है, ठीक है। अगर मैं आपको 3 से ऊपर डेली उसका 5 रोटी खिलवा रहा तो क्या होगा? एक दिन आएगा वो क्या हो जाएगा? बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाएगा। जाएगी। तो जो उसकी वैल्यू है उस वैल्यू से ज़्यादा आप उसको देते हो वोल्टेज, तो लिखिए, नोट लिखिए, इफ ए रिवर्स करंट if a reverse current above breakdown value, if a reverse current above breakdown value is allowed, comma, the diode is permanently damaged. Permanent damage. ठीक है, permanently damaged. Note number 2, Zener diodes are designed to lower their voltage. Zener diodes are designed to lower their voltage such as 2.4 volt. Are designed to lower their voltage such as 2.4 voltage. Next note, which is most important, in the Zener as such as 2.4 volt. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट नोट लिखिए रेड पेन से. in the Zener region में क्या होता है? voltage will always remain constant. In the Zener region, comma, the voltage drop across the Zener diode, Zener diode, सिग्नल क्या होगा? Zener diode के क्रॉस वोल्टेज ड्रॉप रहेगा, वो चेंज होगा कि कांस्टेंट होगा? कांस्टेंट. वोल्टेज ड्रॉप अक्रॉस द Zener diode will always remains constant. तो Zener diode के क्रॉस जितनी भी वोल्टेज आएगी वो क्या रहेगी? हमेशा कांस्टेंट. And that is equal to Zener voltage. Of that diode. ठीक है. उस वोल्टेज को हम क्या कहेंगे? Zener voltage. मान लीजिए Zener diode का क्रॉस आती है मान लीजिए 20 वोल्ट आती है. कितनी आती है? तो वो 20 ही रहेगी. वो क्या रहेगी? 20 ही रहेगी. ठीक है. And that will be a constant. Current can change, but the voltage drop across the Zener diode will always remain a constant. So लिखिए. Next note लिखिए. Doping level decide the next note. Doping level decide the position of Zener region. Doping level decide the position of Zener region. अगर डोपिंग ज़्यादा होगी तो क्या होगा? वोल्टेज कम होगी. ठीक है. देखिए, कॉमा, and increase in doping will decrease the Zener potential. Will decrease the Zener potential. बस एक मिनट रह गया बस. Will decrease the Zener potential. Full stop. Zener diodes are available in the range of 2 volt to 200 volt. 2 volt to 200 volt. Okay. Last point करते हैं. Application. What are the applications of Zener diode? What is the important application? It can be used as a Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator or voltage stabilizer. देखिए, voltage regulator voltage regulator or voltage stabilizer. Voltage stabilizer. Zener diode can be used as Zener diode can be used as Zener diode can be used as voltage regulator or voltage stabilizer. बस एक मिनट एक सर्किट है. Zener diode can be used as voltage regulator or voltage stabilizer. वो कैसे? Let us see. This is a circuit. This is a circuit. This is called a positive. ये एक resistance है positive. This is called a negative. ये क्या लोड रेजिस्टेंस? ये क्या है? लोड रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, बनाइए. How Zener diode acts as a voltage regulator? So see, this is very important application. See. This is called a load. This is called a load resistance. This is called a series resistance RS. Okay. Now see, whatever the voltage will appear across the Zener diode, the same voltage drop will be appear across this load resistance. What is load resistance? This load resistance can be your refrigerator, or your refrigerator. It can be your fan. It can be your any appliance. Can be your any ये कोई भी डिवाइस हो सकता है. तो जितनी वोल्टेज इसके क्रॉस आएगी, the same voltage drop will be appear across this load resistance. So that is why it is called a voltage regulator or voltage. So this is all for the session today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay.